So last time I talked with you guys about how I will be getting a new phone via this online platform called Phone House, and I ordered the phone and it will be getting delivered to me today. So in this video guys, we will be having an unboxing of my new Samsung S23 Ultra. I am so excited about this and I really hope to take you guys along. So in the parcel there were two SIM cards, the main SIM card Vodafone and the bonus SIM card Voxy and my phone. Moving from Infinix Hot 9 Play to Samsung S23 Ultra is a huge leap for me and I am so proud of myself. So the next thing that is left for me to do is just to transfer data from my old phone to my new phone, and I'll be using an app called Smart Switch for this, and it made the whole process very easy. I was able to transfer not only the videos in my old phone, but including all messages, all texts, everything, even WhatsApp messages. From the first time that I started using that old phone, everything were reflecting in the new phone as well. The next thing for me was to put in my SIM card, of course, the one that came with the phone. So this is it, and I'm removing it. Then the phone uses two SIM cards, so I had to remove one of my SIM cards from my old phone as well, and that I'll be putting into this phone to use. same day, Amazon delivered my parcel, which was the thing containing my phone's case and my phone screen guard.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.